So hello guys, welcome back to another video of Krishna's Lab, and today guys we are playing our 8th recording chess game in chess.com. And here guys, in this game actually I have played this game like one day yesterday. I have played this game, but again my video got crashed while I was recording it. So then I thought I'll just record this analyzing this game. That's what we have about here guys, and this game is quite interesting that you will find soon in this game. Why did I say that? Because this game is so interesting. So please subscribe to our channel and let's go into the game. So we are playing with the white pieces and we have moved our pawn to e4. Then he has moved his pawn to e5. Then we have moved a knight to f3. The king's pawn opening. Then he has moved his knight to f6, trying to attack a pawn. But we did not attack his pawn on e5 because we wanted to defend our pieces. Then he has moved his then we have moved our knight to c3, and here guys we did not attack his. But then he has moved his bishop to c5. You gotta defend it. And here guys we moved our bishop to c4. And the reason guys here we did not defend our we did not attack his pawn on e4. Sorry, on e5. The reason is guys that I actually look here. If I attack it, then his pawn. Okay, I'll just show you what will happen. If I attack it, he will attack me. Okay, and then I have to move back. And now look what happens. This pawn can go forward, but it will be under attack. So now, if we keep this position like this, none of them will move forward or backward. And this position also controls the center very well. So that's the reason I did not attack him. So, but he has attacked my pawn. I don't know why. Because it just gave me a free knight. Then he tried to do double attack, but I just declined it by attacking his bishop. Then he attacked my bishop. I castled. He also castled. Then I took his pawn, which actually turned out to be a blunder here because of queen d4. But he has moved his queen to d5 actually. That was a mistake because now I can do as the computer suggested, and that's what we moved also in the game. And now both the knights are defended, and the pawn is defended by the queen. Okay, so till now the game shows R and meter. Here guys, the whole meter in the game shows white full, but yeah, this game was quite a suspense while you are playing. When I was playing this game, I recorded this game. It was suspense in my this thing that what will happen in the next move. But when I recorded that game again, guys, that video got crashed. So that's why guys I couldn't record that. And here guys, he has moved his queen back to d6. And here guys, we have moved our bishop to f4, trying to defend our knight. And then he has pushed this pawn to f6. And here guys, we have moved our knight to d7. Actually, the computer suggested here also, right? I tried to move that also, but then I don't know. But I thought both the moves will be same. That's why I moved here. He took my bishop. I took his rook. He attacked my knight. Then I wanted to attack. Then I developed my queen, going on h5. Then he has moved his pawn to g6, but that just gives me a free pawn on h7. And then he has moved his bishop to g4. I took his bishop on on g6. Then he has put his rook on c6. And then we have attacked this bishop because we want to get rid of this queen and bishop close to our king. That may be a disadvantage because they both can do make a checkmate as well. That's why we got rid of him. Wait, and then he has moved his bishop to f5. Then we have attacked the pawn on f6 and has also checked. Then he has moved to e8, and here guys, I did not even move this. I was not even checking on this move on rook to e1 that I could make a checkmate. So not a checkmate, but yeah, that was a checkmate actually. If I think that's only a check, but yeah, I forgot all that. I was going on 3 pawns, and then he has attacked my pawn on d4. Then I tried to attack him. Still, guys, I could have done, but what happened? He has now attacked my book, and now I can't even put it there because he has defended that place. So I moved to b1. He's attacking my right. So I moved to a5, and he was trying to attack me. So I know here, guys, he tried to attack my queen. Okay, now this thing was a bit crucial to save my queen because it almost felt like it was trapped thanks to this knight. I could block it. So I did the same, and then here he couldn't attack that. So he moved his king to d7. But then, guys, what I did, I removed the pin, and I also checked his king. And now again, and then he moved to c8, his king. Then I have checked him on f8. He went to b7. Then I attacked his rook on d7. He here tried to here move to c6, but that just gives me, but that does nothing, which goes good for him, and that's what I moved my queen to b8, and now he's a quite trapped because look at my queen, my knight, and my pawns, and my rook also, all are there in the king side. So, and I queen side is a bit weak, but and look at this. This queen and bishop are like doing nothing here. And then because of my continuous checks, then he has moved his king to a6. Then I here, guys, made a mistake. I did not check that my knight was hanging, and guys, I sacrificed my knight. Then what I did, guys, I moved my rook to d1. And here, guys, this guy made a mistake which shocked me. Why did he move his bishop to rook to c5? Because that just gives me a free bishop. And guess what? My queen and a rook are now on the queen side and king side, and now both of them are ready to attack his king. So that just gives me an advantage. And look at this meter on the side; it's fully on white. And then he has moved his king to a5, which turns out to be a blunder because at least he was defending this pawn and he could at least plan something. But he has moved to a5 and gave me a chance to attack that pawn and check him. And then we have a check with the pawn a4. He moved to c6. We attacked here and we attacked the pawn on c7. And then the queen exchange, and then the rook. And now guess what? We have actually lost the rook. So what happened here? The two queens are gone and one rook is also gone. And then guess what happened? Then what we had done, we went to promotion of the pawns. And look, guys, here there is a thing. That look, he has more pieces. Look, he has a knight and a rook, which adds up to like an 8 points. The rook has 5 points and the knight has 3 points, so he has 8 points. But he only has 1 pawn, which is also not that much defended. So, but for me, I only have 1 rook, which is only 5 points, but I have like 6 pawns, which gives me like an developing things. And for the end game, in chess, there is always an advantage for having more pawns in the end game in chess. So the more you pawns have in end game, the more you are gonna win, because then you can promote to a queen or a rook, the whatever piece according to the situation. And then here, guys, here moved his rook to e8. We kept on attacking him. He moved his knight to e3 to attack my rook. Then I moved my rook to e1. Then he moved his king down to b6. I started promoting. He not even attacked my this thing. He moved back. He moved to the 8 file, and then we started promoting our pawns. And he tried to attack us. And again here, guys, I was not even checking that I could at least attack his knight. So we were just promoting. We did not bother of anything. And here, guys, I don't know what happened to him. Instead of blocking me, bro just went somewhere there. Now that just gives me another chance for just attacking. And my 3 pawns are like, and here, guys, he made a mistake by moving his thing here. And that's a mistake, because now I can make a double attack. And then he comes back again. I promoted the queen. He attacked me. Then I attacked his rook. Sorry, I attacked his knight. Looking now. And now look what is the point. I said to why pawns are important for the end game. This is the reason now. Now for the end game, I have a rook and he only has one pawn and one king. And meanwhile, I have still 5 pawns left. And look at this. He is only in the king side, queen side. But these 3 pawns are on the queen side. So now look, both the pieces have pawns, and that is why you should have more endgames on the queen side. Oh, you should have more pawns in the endgame. Then he has made a mistake. I don't know what, but he has made a mistake to f8. That just gives me promotion again. And then we checked him. He moved down. We attacked him on. We checked him on e7. He attacked our pawn, and now we promoted to queen. Now what happened, guys? Then guys, we checked him on f8. Then he moved to the g rank, g file, and then we actually here, guys, moved our rook to f7. He moved down to g5. We checked him and the g file as well, and then when he came to the h6, we checkmated him on h7. So this is one of the most interesting games, which is .org, which I have played. And yes, guys, this is the video. I hope you like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm playing this game in lichess.org. You can see here. And yes, guys, that's it for today. Do like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.